Hi students, welcome back to the last lecture of probability, and we'll be finishing this chapter of probability with the remaining sums. Now question number 5, problem set 5, question number 7. The question is 6 faces of a die are as shown below: A, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital A. If the die is rolled once, find the probability of first A appearing or A appears on upper face, and second is D appears on upper face. So we write the experiment. Die is rolled once. Sample space S is equal to capital A, comma capital B, comma capital C, comma capital D, comma capital E, and comma capital A. Generally in sets we don't repeat, but here because it is probability, we can repeat the elements when you write the set. So n of s is equal to 6. A, B, C, D, E, A is 6. Then event A appears on the upper face. Now A is equal to 1 capital A is first and 1 capital A is last. So 2 A's are there. So n of A is 2. So probability of A is n of A upon n of s. So 2 upon 6, and on cancelling we get 1 upon 3. 2 1s are and 2 3s are. So 1 upon 3. Event B is D appears on the upper face. So B is equal to D only, one option only. So n of B is 1. Probability of B is n of B upon n of s. The probability of B is 1 upon 6. And you have to write the final answer. So I have left space, you have to write in your notes. Then similar sum, 13th sum. Each card bears one letter from word mathematics. The cards are placed on a table upside down. Find the probability that a card drawn bears the letter M. That means they have placed the card ulta, so you cannot see the alphabets. And you have to see what is the chance of getting M. Now a card is drawn, sample space, all the alphabets of mathematics: M, A, T, H, E, N, A, T, I, C, S. If it was sets, we will not be writing, repeating the elements, but because this is probability, we have to repeat the elements. So it is just, we are writing it in set notation. The n of s is 11. Event A is the card drawn bears the letter M. So you find there are two M's, M comma M. So n of A is 2. Probability of A is n of A upon n of s. Probability of A is 2 upon 11. Therefore, probability that a card bears the letter M is 2 by 11. Easy sum. Then the third sum of the day, 14th sum of problem set. Out of 200 students from the school, 135 like kabaddi, and the remaining students do not like the game. If one student is selected at random from all the students, find the probability that the student selected doesn't like kabaddi. So the total number of students is 200. Let S be the sample space, therefore n of s is 200. The number of students who like kabaddi is 135. So automatically the number of students who do not or doesn't like kabaddi will be 200 minus 135, that is 65. Now event is the student selected does not like kabaddi. So therefore n of A will be 65. So probability of A is n of A upon n of s. So 65 upon 200. Cancellation, 5 13s are 5 40s are 13 upon 40. The probability that the student selected doesn't like kabaddi is 13 upon 40. If they had said like kabaddi, then it would be 135 upon 200. Next question is, two-digit number is formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repetition of digits is allowed. Find the probability that the numbers are formed as a prime number, multiple of 4, or multiple of 11. So first we write two-digit number is formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let S be the sample space. Now because repetition is allowed, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So all the numbers 20. The first event n of s is 20. So event A is the number formed is a prime number. So from this the prime numbers are 11, 13, 23, 31, 41, 43. 6. Therefore n of A is 6. The probability of A is n of A upon n of s. 6 upon 20, 2 3s are and 2 tens are 3 upon 10. Even 2 is the number formed as a multiple of 4. The 4 के tables में आने वाला number 12, 20, 24, 32, 40, 44. So again 6. So n of b is 6. P of b is n of b upon n of s. P of b is 6 upon 20. P of b is 3 upon 10. Let C be the event that the numbers are formed as a multiple of 11. So C is equal to 11, 22, 33, 44. So n of C is 4. The probability of C is n of C upon n of S is equal to 4 upon 20, that is 1 upon 5. And then the answer. The probability that the number formed as a prime number is 3 upon 10. Number formed as a multiple of 4 is 3 upon 10. And that the number formed as a multiple of 11 is 1 upon 5. So that's it. And one more part is there, and after that this chapter will be over.